Most real estate photographers aren't broke because their photos suck. They're broke because they're replaceable. Hear me out? And I know that because that was me. Undercharging at $150, getting ghosted, wondering where my clients went, thinking if I just got better at shooting and editing, everything would change. It didn't. My name is Cole Connor and I was put here to do three things: create, inspire, love. Thanks for being here. Let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is Cole Connor. I've built two six-figure real estate photography businesses, one on the East Coast, one on the West, and now I'm on YouTube. I've hit over 1 million views teaching people like you how to do the same. I've got so much more content on the way. The more people that subscribe, the more it helps me be able to make better, high-quality videos. Also, check the description for tons of resources like presets, workflows, courses. Okay, here's the truth no one tells you. You're not struggling because of quality. Most likely, you're struggling because you're interchangeable. Same angles, same edit, same delivery. So what happens? You get picked upon your availability, your price, convenience, not because you're you and not because you're the best. Agents have like 5 to 10 real estate photographers saved in the phone. A lot of times you're not their guy. You're just one of the options. It's a pretty hard pill to swallow, and I remember realizing this. I wasn't being, and especially as an artist who makes music and does film and acting, I wasn't being chosen for my work. I was being chosen because I was the cheapest or I was available. And that's not the place I want to be, and I don't think it's the place you want to be. Because now you have to compete on price, you deal with constant feedback, and most likely more low quality agents. You never feel secure. And so for me, things started to change when I realized that agents don't just need photos. They need a real estate media partner. They want listings live fast, clean presentation, less back and forth, someone they don't have to think about. But honestly, it's even deeper than that. It's not just about speed or delivery. It's about how people feel when they're around you. Agents don't just want a photographer. They want someone who feels like a part of their team, someone they don't mind spending hours with, someone they don't mind communicating with their clients who they worked really hard to get. They want someone that make their clients feel more comfortable, that make their clients trust them more. Someone who doesn't make things awkward. Like straight up, I got tons of work to do on this. I was shooting with one of my friends who I work with all the time. We had a couple hours in between shoots. I was thinking, yo, I'm gonna go get a sandwich. I'm gonna take a break for a second, socially recharge. But they started sitting and talking, and I was like, that is what I should do, is sit and talk and continue to build and work on that relationship. That's not always my first instinct, and I need to do better at it. So I'm not just telling you, I'm telling me. That hour and a half probably did more for maintaining that relationship than a photo or a quick video could. Because when you become reliable, easy to work with, enjoyable to be around, you become their guy. You stop being a random photographer they hire and you start becoming their guy, their girl. So practically when you're their guy, their girl, what does that look like? Consistent output, predictable turnaround, the comfortability, the easy to work with, everything packaged cleanly, no confusion. They just know Cole handles it. And when you operate like this, there's fewer price objections, fewer revisions, more time back, more upsells, higher quality clients. Because now you're not just selling photos, you're selling reliability. Sometimes friendship, community. When you think about becoming a real estate media partner, you're not just scaling by adding random services. You have to make each listing feel complete. Sometimes, yeah, you take a couple cheaper shoots to get in the door. But once agents see you as more than just their photo guy or girl, everything changes. Show them what you can do. If you gotta go cheaper, show them what you can do. If you gotta do a free one, just show them everything you can do. Right now, I'm offering floor plans, 3D tours with Draft 360, photography, videography, drone, marketing content, YouTube content, marketing consultations. And that's probably kind of overwhelming to hear, especially as you're beginning, because it's a lot. How do you package it? How do you make it look on your website? What do you do? How do you deliver all this without doubling your time? More services usually means more editing, more time, more burnout. We don't want that. That's when I started to look at tools differently, not as gear, but as leverage. And for me, one of the biggest additions to my workflow has been Draft 360, who happens to be one of the sponsors of today's video, because it lets me walk into a property, capture once, and deliver a full package. Stills, floor plans, 3D tours, listing sites, even video style outputs. So you get high quality without turning a simple shoot into an all-day process. And the biggest shift is speed. Next day delivery for all of this content is insane, because now you're not just helping, you're a part of their workflow. You're not the bottleneck anymore. And then the agent comes to depend on you to deliver that high quality, that fast, and they ultimately use you to market themselves to get higher clients. Hey, I got Cole, he's on my team. He does all of this and it's delivered next day. Instead of multiple links and messy folders, you deliver one complete listing experience. And that alone makes you feel premium. Next day, my clients give photos, tour, floor plan, and if they want to go further, social content, listing website, videos. That same house that could have been 150, 200, 175, some places where I'm from on the East Coast, I started at $95 a shoot, now becomes a $500 to $800 listing experience. And Draft 360 has some things that not anyone else has, like SunPath. Their listing websites are one of a kind. It's impressive. With all the tools out there, there is no reason why you can't be delivering a listing experience. Step it up from just being a photographer. Understand what the real estate media space is now offering. If you take anything from this video, it's this. Yeah, always get better at photography and videography. Yes, for sure, that matters. But if you're only focused on taking better photos, you're playing the wrong game. Stop trying to just become a photographer. Start becoming harder to replace. Because the people actually making real money in this space, they're running a system and they're building relationships. I'm telling it to myself too. If you want to try Draft 360 for yourself, you do get 10% off with my link in the description. And yes, that does directly help the channel, so it is all appreciated. Hi there, thanks for watching. If you really liked it, maybe you'll like some of these too. While you decide, here's some music. Enjoy.